any birthday wishes or resolution this year?
Birthday wish, syempre, first come to mind would be, syempre, peace of mind, tapos ano din, stability sa financials and sa relationships, and syempre, more projects pa din.
Pati intimate, first ever intimate celebration party. Bakit mo siya napili na very intimate lang?
Kasi siguro, I want to start it very low-key and small. Tapos, syempre, it's my way of thanking the fans din talaga na nanatiling nakasuporta ever since na nag-start tayo nung 2017. So, that's what really matters to me talaga. And for me, intimate kasi syempre, ang mga dumalo talaga, mga kaibigan natin sa work, mga family and friends, mga kaibigan natin sa industry.
Pagdating naman sa most memorable birthday lesson you've learned over the years, ano yun? Ano?
Siguro, ang ganda na question. Birthday lesson I've learned kumbaga in every celebration, it's to celebrate life and to be kind always. For me, very important din talaga yung empathy and you maintain good relationship with the people na nakakatrabaho mo.